where can we actually get copyright-free music for YouTube that we don't have to pay for? In this video, I'm going to show you my top 3 sources of free copyright-free music that you can use in your videos. And yes, there's something for every niche. Welcome back to Creator People, where we're all about helping family-friendly creators to grow their influence and income with integrity. I'm Brandon, and if you're like me, you recognize that music can make a big difference in the quality of the content you're producing. But if you're just getting started out, you don't have a lot of money to spend on music for your channel. Well, I'm going to break down the top 3 sources I've found for copyright-free music you don't have to pay for, starting now. Number 1 is from a guy named Harris Heller. He runs a channel called Alpha Gaming, as well as the Harris Heller vlog channel. And if you are into content production at all, you need to sub to this. It's actually not all about gaming. He's done a lot of game streaming, and that's where he got the name from. But he has a company called Senpai Records, and he makes music with his band. He's a musical guy as well, entirely for free for you to use on streams or games. He's got great education on gear, good reviews. I've learned a lot from him, but he also makes great free music for you with his band and other contributors. Over on Streambeats, which you can find at streambeats.com, he's got it broken down by albums. You can do it by genre. These are all for streaming. But if you click right here on this create button, it's going to give you these options. You want to go to download tracks and check this out. It's going to send you to this Google Drive folder. And it's broken down by genre and then by artist or album. But listen to some of what he's giving away for free. Personally, I really like a lot of his lo-fi stuff. Some of this is really good for background tracks for anybody, but also you see there's so many different genres of music here represented that whatever your niche is, you probably have found something you can use. I use this in some of my videos. My wife uses it for her mommy videos. So there's a broad spectrum of what it can apply to, regardless of what kind of content you're making. This is what makes it one of my favorite sources for free content. And if you're into that too, I'll be making more videos soon showing you where you can get more free resources, B-roll, pictures, all kinds of stuff. So if you want to see that, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss it. The second channel I think is really helpful for streaming and general content creation advice is Epos Vox. This guy does wonderful product reviews, and I've learned a lot from him too, but also he's got free music that's part of his business as well. His copyright-free music called Backing Track is really great for streamers, but also, if you join his Discord server, you can download them as well. Now, I will tell you, his stuff is a little heavier, and it's labeled that way. But if you're like me, you might be into that. Like I said, it's probably a personal choice thing. I really like that. If you really like it too, go ahead and hit like on this video so more people can find free music. And I have to tell you about the YouTube audio library. And a lot of you guys know about this, but I think people just don't know how to use it. Some of the music here is not the best quality, but there's actually really good stuff in here. The trick is the filtering options. When you filter well, it actually has the largest selection of any music library I've ever seen. And again, this is dependent on niche. I found out that for my wife with her mommy channel, I've got to go in and definitely search first by mood. And I find that to be the best filter here. Go in and select your mood. For her, I choose either bright or happy, right? Not inspirational. Inspirational is more like cinematic, gonna win the championship in the football movie, that kind of thing. But you know what else? Hip hop may not be the best choice for her channel. So I'm gonna go in here and select the genre as well. I click on genre and I select dance and electronic as well as pop. Let's see what we got. Oh, there's some newer stuff on here. That's actually pretty great. It may not be great for her, but it'd be great for me.
I've seen a lot of change, been through.
So like I said, though some of it's not perfect, there's actually a huge selection of music for your channel, and it's really music for any niche, but it does depend on your niche. Now, if that's something you're having a hard time figuring out, I actually made a video to help you narrow down exactly what your niche is. So after you hit subscribe, go ahead and click here to watch that.